What's a lockup latch? Lockup latch is a transparent latch which is introduced within a DFT scan chain to solve the hold problems or hold violations. To understand why it is required, we need to understand how the scan chain is built. A scan chain can be built not only within the clock domain, it can be built within two registers which are of two different clock domains completely, because scan shifting doesn't care about where it is, where the data is coming from, right? Like which how it is transferred. It is only cared about shifting data from one register to another register, and it wants to test a single flip flops functionality. That's what it wants to do. So having understood that, now the skew difference between two different registers, which are of two different clock domains, can be very high because they are not balanced within a clock tree synthesis, right? So if there is a positive skew, which is very high, it impacts hold violation, right? So there can be a very big hold violation that can be introduced because of this, which can be fixed by adding a lockup latch, which eventually makes gives a half cycle gap, right? So this is mostly important in a shift mode of DFT scan logic, and it's very important for testing because the data, if it is corrupted while transferring from one flop to another flop, then the entire testing cycle goes wrong, and you will not be able to test the chip, and you don't know whether it works or not. So this is why it's very important to have a lockup latch.